For this particular course, we're using a trial version of Autodesk InfraWorks 2021.2. Now that's very important, so 0.2. And we're also using a trial version of Twinmotion from Epic Games. So the reason that I use trial versions within courses is so that, first of all, people following along can be certain of replicating what I'm doing without burning through cloud credits, which are very expensive, or without running into issues that may be associated with a trial license. So Twinmotion can be downloaded from the epicgames.com website. So what it will do is it will ask you to download the Epic Games launcher, and it will ask you to install that. Once you have installed the Epic Games engine, you'll notice that you get a little window with Unreal Engine. You've got somewhere to learn. You have the marketplace where you can buy libraries. But at the end here is the one that we're interested in, and that's Twinmotion. Now over here, I already have a launch button. That's because I've already installed the engine. So what you need to do is, if you don't have it installed already, you install the engine. It'll show up over here as well. It'll have install Twinmotion engine. And then it will start downloading and installing the Twinmotion engine. Now be aware that it is huge. It's 13.6 gigabytes. So don't try and do it at your local coffee shop with their free Wi-Fi. You will make them very upset. And you can download and install the engine. Once you've done that, you'll see the button turns to launch as opposed to install. And we are ready to head over and do all of the good stuff. So we've installed InfraWorks, we've installed the Epic Games launcher, we've installed the Twinmotion engine. Let's get started.